Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we will gonna prepare things for our daughter like cabinet, crib, and others. So come on and join us guys in preparing. My husband bought this crib online. While assembling it, as a feeling of excitement, me and my husband imagining things that putting our baby in this crib, watching her play, or sleep, or do other things in this crib. We hope she will like it. We are really excited that sooner we will able to see our baby already. Should be like that, but the handles not yet put there.
Их там два вообще, но их можно в другом наборе найти. Давай их где-то. Чуть-чуть на поворот. Хватит. Давай. Закручивайся.
So this is the cabinet what Vladimir and Papa assembled before this one. Didin, didin. So here's the cabinet already for baby. Look inside. Then her clothes for autumn and winter. Put it here. So cute. Then and there and other clothes for summer. We put it there because it's already cold these days. So this is the baby's crib. My husband designed this. And he assembled this one. And he put this. He designed it all. With this. It has music. Just on here. And this one will turn around. So cute. Right? So cute. It also has mode when you can stop this rotation here. But I don't want to show it. So I also have this fabric my husband bought. It also para di masilaw si baby sa light. So dito, and meron din kaming light dyan for dim light. This one, wait, I will show you. Actually, this is the light what we always use in here in the house. This something kind of yellow light. Wait, I will turn on so you can see. Look, it's like that dim light. And wait, it's gonna look like this. Ta-da! Wait, I will close the curtain. Back. Oh, it's like that dim light for baby. If we will going to sleep, we will just turn on that light. So in this area where you can change baby's diaper, something like that, put cream, or after shower you can put her here. So, and here under it we have first aid kit. This one, it's for gas for babies, in the way you put it in the butt. And we have creams, all this for baby. This one, wet diapers. This one, it's called pilyonka. It's this, they called it pilyonka here. And it's for baby's tummy, hot compress. That one, manzanilla, very Filipino. And balsamo, it's for baby here. So if we will change her diaper, we will change it here. Can bring baby here. So yeah. What?
This is the kabo.
Kabo.
Kabo, silicone.
Ba?
Up. Kabo.
Ba? Kabo.
Bird.
Ba?
This is the hamak.
Doyan ba?
For
Baby
this.
doyan. Kung paliguan, ikuan ni mo diri butang.
This one bath.
Mm.
Chick.
Mm.
For water.
Patrain ng tubig.
For tubig.
Da.
How it work?
Temperature da.
Da.
O tubig da.
Da. And
Ah.
after.
Oh, pwede man na siya mapagamay.
Chick.
Di na gamiton.
Chick.
Ting, ting.
That's all.
Okay kayo da.
Da, okay, kaya.
They monitor baby's heartbeat. I will give birth here.